Like, wait, why am I getting like arrested now?
Put your hands behind your back.
Okay, why?
You're being detained at this time because you are going to be charged with shoplifting and then also trespassing.
On November 18, 2025, a Texas retail investigation generated 3 distinct constitutional and criminal law issues. This analysis examines the legal frameworks that governed each decision made on November 18, 2025.
Property in the vehicle?
I don't know. I don't know if she's storing it. It didn't beep on the way out, but
Okay, well, I can't assume.
I know.
I'll look at the vehicle.
I'm watching her right now inside the store.
Okay, so you all keep eyes on the female. She's inside the business. She came out once, went to the vehicle, and then returned with an empty bag.
Was here when she got out.
It's right here.
Yeah.
So I had it.
48 I talked about. Yeah. He's been parked over there for a while.
Okay.
And I'm from Picacho, so I get a little weird. I got you out, baby.
You never saw her take anything, right? She went out and they
She
came
brought
back
some
in.
stuff to the counter. It was nickel and dime stuff, and then left. And then I put that over there in the end, but now she's back in.
Okay.
Thank you.
Go ahead. That was the plan to come here and shoplift and
No,
everything.
no, I didn't know. I'm coming here to get some stuff.
Not
I
you.
guess
You're
so.
not involved.
No, I have my own money. You can check my account if you want. Like I
I
want to go home to my kids. You know.
I'm tracking. I promise.
Yes, sir.
As long as you're being honest with me, I
Yeah.
can work with you, and I am not saying you've done anything wrong.
Yes, sir.
Okay, but I need to at least say on camera.
Yeah.
Okay, that I've at least identified you. I'm
Yeah.
not running your information. I
Yeah,
don't
please.
care.
Yeah,
Okay?
I'm gonna help you out.
So-
I don't know. She's shoplifting.
Did she put anything in the vehicle as of right now? The
Yeah,
oil and
yeah,
stuff?
she put a thing of oil and I can give it to you.
Yeah, please.
Okay. Can you please make sure she doesn't see me?
Yeah. See, I have another officer standing by over there.
Where's she at?
She's in the store. She went back to the store.
Give us my unit. That's cool.
Yeah.
You stood by me. I'm not putting your handcuffs in.
Oh, no, I know. I didn't do anything, so I'm just
If
saying.
anybody
What is that? Stolen? Cool. Talk to her. Hey man, so you got the oil from the truck that you walked back to. Okay?
Okay.
So,
The oil of the truck. Yeah. That's the one that she told me that she didn't want to get. So I'm confused. So I'm getting the correct one?
Did you buy this?
I could have sworn I exchanged it. Did I
have a
not?
receipt?
For the 5W20? Yes, I should. Here, let me check my other.
Nope.
No, wait, I'm grabbing my thing to give you the receipt. What the heck?
Stay here. You gotta tell us what
No,
you're doing.
this is like, huh?
You gotta tell us what you're doing, man.
What I'm trying to do is I'm trying to get the correct
So
thing.
here's the thing, right? They said that you were in here.
Okay, and I
Hold
told you I
on,
had to go
I'm
outside to
talking.
ask if it was
Let him
right.
talk to you.
Listen to Officer Hernandez. Let him
The
finish
thing
talking.
is
Uh-huh.
that you were in here in the store before. You didn't pay for anything, and then you walked out and you had a bag with you.
Yeah, which
And
is
then
my
Hulk-
bag, yeah.
Yes, right?
Yes.
And then you came back inside, and now this is we're right here with you.
Okay.
And that oil is in your
Okay.
truck, right? And you did not pay for it.
Okay, then if I didn't pay for that one, then oh my god, okay, because then that was accidental because it was supposed to be the 20W50, and I'm like dyslexic because I thought it was 5W20.
But you
when
didn't
I
even pay for it.
I know, I realized that, and it's because I was trying to hurry because I'm in a hurry because I thought the store closed at 9.
Okay.
So I panicked when I went, and that's why I put everything down, and it was not.
Do you want to pursue charges?
It was not intentional at all. I
Do you
thought
have
it
your
was
ID on you, man?
I don't, but this is absolutely
Okay,
Are you
you
Marquisha?
Excuse me? No?
Slow
You're
down.
not Marquisha?
No, my
catch
name
your
is
breath.
not Marquisha.
Okay, catch your breath, okay?
Oh my god.
Give this officer your name.
Give us
How
your...
about you just talk to me? What is your name?
What?
What is your name?
My name is Kayla.
Okay.
Just for the time being, can you just put your purse up here, please?
No,
want you to
I
hold your
feel
purse.
very uncomfortable doing this. No, I came into I really don't
off your
Can
purse.
you
Just
please?
relax.
No,
Kayla,
this is
catch
very.
your breath.
No, this
What?
is very. It's Layla. It's not Kayla. This is very
It's
not.
Layla? You're
no,
doing
it's
birth?
Layla. It's Layla.
Layla?
Yes, this is very
What's-
overwhelming to me because I'm just.
Oh, we're doing an investigation, okay?
Okay,
So,
but
You just need to relax, catch your breath.
Okay, I'm sorry because
Okay.
like
We're not
obviously
doing anything to you,
I
okay?
don't fend well with like around police and like I don't like
Okay,
I don't
well,
like
we
it because
haven't
I
done
feel
anything to
I know
cause that, okay?
I mean you guys haven't personally, but
We're just
I'm
doing our
sorry,
job,
and
okay?
And I'm worried about my truck because I have to go pick up my friend
Okay.
before he
Well,
gets
we'll
off
see
of
what
work
we
right
can
now
do,
at
okay?
10, and like I was trying
Layla, catch your breath, okay?
to. Okay.
You're rambling on.
I know because
Just
I'm
hang
freaking
out,
Okay.
hang out. Let us do our thing,
Free to
okay?
copy.
We'll see what we can do about getting you out of here, okay?
And the more cooperative you are us,
Just slow down.
everything will turn out for you. Right?
They want it on there.
Okay.
Because I'm gonna get it. I'm not gonna do the store.
We can trespass her too, if you like.
Yeah,
What?
but I'm
Why is
gonna-
I getting? I was gonna get trespassed. I stay like right up here. Like I know, but what I'm explaining is I'm so sorry. I'm really sorry.
Tell me what happened.
Okay, so what happened was I was supposed to come in here, and the issue was that I needed to get the quart of motor oil or whatever for the truck.
Okay.
And I kept saying, like, and I wrote it down, and I wrote it down as 5W20.
Okay.
Because, you know, it's always 10W20 or like 5W20, whatever. But when I was over here, I was like, hold on, I need to go see if that is the correct one, because I don't want to spend all this money to have it not be the right oil. And then when I got to the car and I asked my friend, she's like, no, sweetie, it's not 5W20, it's 20W50.
Okay.
And I was like, 20W50? I had never heard of 20W50 before.
Okay.
And then I was like, wait, what? And then so we sat there and she Googled it for me and then she showed it to me and she's like, yeah, it comes in a black thing. It'll be the only one that's in there. And I was just like, oh, what? Okay. And then I looked and I was like, okay, what the frick? I didn't know 20W50 like existed. And I didn't realize that I had taken the 5W20 out there with me. That was totally accidental. Like I had left everything else here on the counter because I want to check out with all the rest of the stuff. But me taking this one bottle out there was purely accidental. Like it really was because I was trying to look for my notebook where I wrote down what I needed. So like when I set everything down, I forced it out. I just accidentally put it right there. Like it was not like intentional that I like took this item like at all.
So you came back inside, you were going to
Yes.
buy 10
And I was gonna
50?
buy the 20W or the 20W50.
But you just needed a quart, and then now you're buying a 4 quart?
And then, well, no, I'm trying to ask him like how much it's gonna come out to in total with that, like with I don't need it right
Miss
now.
Layla.
Yes.
So when we run your information, it's not coming out of Texas. So can you write?
What do you mean it's not coming out of
So
Texas?
can you run? Do you know your driver's license number? Out of Texas? No.
No, but I can call my mom and ask her because I'm pretty sure she has like the
Okay.
paper one.
Can you write down your name for us? How it is on your ID, please?
Okay,
To this
yeah.
officer on her notebook.
Yeah. Oh my god.
Layla,
Yes.
just so we're both on the same page, okay? And so we can for our documentation. This is your purse, right? Can I make sure there's no other merchandise in there?
Yeah.
Okay.
Like I was gonna open it.
Can I do? No, I'm just asking if I can do
Okay,
that.
okay. Please don't like do that grabby thing, please. Like that makes me feel
I'm
very.
letting you know because for our safety, I don't want you
Yeah,
grabbing
of
anything
course,
from the
okay.
purse, and that's why I took it away
Yeah, of
from you.
course.
Okay, and this is just all your stuff?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm glad you have Narcan. Everybody needs Narcan, huh?
I have Narcan because of my friend.
Did your friend use or what?
Yeah, that's like totally irrelevant.
I'm just asking. No, it's just
Yeah,
just a question.
but it's irrelevant. I don't want to. It's not about her.
Yeah, I get you. Okay. Well, I'm just saying, I'm glad that you have it because not many people carry it, and it's life-saving, right?
It is. I
Okay.
have to use it before.
Is this one yours too?
Huh?
Is this one yours as well? Your purse?
No, that one's hers. That's,
Hers?
Yeah, that one's hers, and that's the one that had all the information written down of what I needed.
This is her
This
purse.
one's her purse?
Yeah, that thing, that one's hers.
This one?
Yes.
So I can ask her that real quick?
Huh?
I can ask her that? 'Cause
I mean,
right
I
now
guess.
she's at the front of my car. She's detained with me.
Why is she detained?
That's not your problem. My problem is this yours or is this hers?
Will she say when we ask her? Is she gonna say it's yours or is she gonna say it's hers?
Or is it nobody's?
It's nobody's.
It's
It's not
nobody's.
yours?
It's abandoned property.
Yes.
It's abandoned
I
property.
don't want to get anybody. I
Miss
allowed
Layla,
you to search my purse. I allowed
Layla,
you to look through my property.
Layla, look, I'm asking.
Yeah.
Okay. Is it yours or is it hers? Or is it just nobody's? Was it here before we got? Was it here before you got here? That's what I'm trying to
I do
ask.
not know what
You know whose
would
it is?
possibly
Okay.
be in there,
You don't
so
know
I
who
don't.
it is? So it's abandoned property? Where was it
Yes.
when we got here?
Because if she
It was
tells
right
us
here.
she doesn't
It's
know whose it
literally
is
chilling
either,
over
it's just
So
abandoned
it's been
property.
sitting here the whole
Doesn't
time?
Yeah,
belong
just
to
like the
anybody.
doggy.
Is that what you're saying?
Let me go verify with the female head.
Yes,
Just me if it's her.
Layla, did you walk in with it or no?
It's
That
your
is
purse?
mine, yes.
It's yours?
Yes. That
Can I make
one's
sure there's no
mine.
merchandise in there?
I don't want you to look through that one because that one's like my personal one. I really don't want you to look through that one.
Okay, hey, Sarge, she's claiming it's hers. She doesn't want us to look through it.
I'm so sorry, but like, yeah.
Oh, just trying to make sure that we have no
yes,
other-
but that one, because like, I don't.
Terry v. Ohio 1968. Police may briefly detain a person based on reasonable suspicions, specific articulable fact. A loss prevention report describing specific suspect behavior constitutes sufficient reasonable suspicion under Terry. Illinois v. Cabales 2005. The scope of a Terry detention must remain narrowly tied to the justifying circumstances. Texas Penal Code, Section 31. 3 defines theft as intentional appropriation without consent, with intent to deprive. Intent is the contested element. Without proof of deliberate taking, the prosecution's case is legally vulnerable. Return-to-pay behavior and merchandise left at point of sale are fact patterns courts weigh heavily in intent analysis. Texas courts hold that intent is a question of fact resolved by a jury, not an arresting officer at the scene. An accidental taking, supported by credible evidence, does not prevent arrest but creates a viable defense at trial. Texas Penal Code Section 38.2. A lawfully detained person must truthfully provide their name, date of birth, and address. Providing a false name is a Class C misdemeanor, a separate offense, independent of any underlying charge. When the detained person has an outstanding warrant, the offense elevates from Class C to a Class B misdemeanor. Hiibel v. 6th Judicial District, 2004. The Supreme Court upheld stop and identify statutes as constitutionally valid. False identification does not suppress the underlying charge. It adds an independent criminal count and forfeits goodwill. The Fourth Amendment's consent exception, voluntary, uncoerced consent to search, is constitutionally valid during detention. Illinois v. Rodriguez, 1990. Third-party consent is valid if officers reasonably believe the consenting party has authority. A detained person retains the right to refuse consent to search. That refusal cannot be used as evidence of guilt.
Oh, wait, why am I getting like arrested now?
Put your hands
Hold
behind your
on.
back.
Okay,
You're
why?
being detained at this time because you are going to be charged with shoplifting and then also trespassing, and you're not coming back on file. So
Am I going to
Are
jail?
you lying about your name, Layla?
No, I'm not. Am I going to jail?
Well, until we figure out who you are,
How long have you been living here for?
I've only been living, a few years. I went to college here for a little while.
okay, your ID is not in here.
No, sir, it's not.
Because if you're lying who you are, you are going to jail tonight, right? If you're lying who you are, you're going to go to jail no matter what. If you tell us who you are and stop lying, you probably won't even go to jail. If you have a petty warrant, I don't care. I don't care about petty warrants, right? So be honest with us, please.
Okay.
You're not. I could tell when you're lying. I've been doing this for a bit now, and I know when people are lying, all right?
There's not anything on with your name in here.
So I'm just going to ask you one more time. What's your name and what's your date of birth? This is the last chance you get.
You want to go to jail or not? This is how simple it is. You're going to tell me who you are and stop playing games because I'm done. Okay, I'm the sergeant. My name is Chris Baker.
Hi, Chris.
I have people here. We're in
Sergeant
the middle of a
Baker.
business.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
and this is ridiculous. Start acting your age
I am.
and take responsibility for your actions.
Yes, I am.
Okay?
Yes.
Tell
I'm
them
sorry.
who you are.
Okay, can we
Legally.
do this outside
Yes.
then? It's
Yes.
the middle of a business and I'm worried about.
Thank you. Yes. Yes. We'll do this outside. Any more games, you're gone.
So what's your name?
That's Michaela.
Michaela?
Yes.
Hey, why'd you lie?
Sit down.
Because I'm scared because I'm already like,
Do you have warrants?
no.
So why would you lie if you have no warrants? What's the point? We're gonna find out who you really are.
I know because I don't want to get like charges with stuff and I did not shoplift intentionally. Like I did not, I swear I did not.
Michaela, we're past that.
How do you spell
know.
Michaela?
If you don't want to get charged, like literally, you giving your fake name is not going to do anything.
Yeah, I know.
So,
I'm sorry.
one more time. Give her your correct information. If not, then I promise you're going to do. Okay?
Okay.
So give it to her. Spell it to her.
Michaela.
All right, Michaela. So you are going to be arrested for shoplifting. You're going to be also trespassed from here, okay? We did have a warrant for you, so you're going to be defend that warrant for the probation violation. All right?
Can I please, like, smoke
I'm
my
going to need you.
Do you have anything on you that we should be worried about? Any drugs, narcotics? No? No weapons?
Any weapons? Okay, so
You want to? Go ahead. Yeah, you can.
You're not gonna find anything else on your person. Right?
I don't want it.
it's white powder.
Okay.
Yeah.
Careful.
Yeah. You have extra gloves on you? That's fine.
I have
Just,
in the trunk.
Utah v. Strieff, 2016. An outstanding warrant found during a Terry stop provides independent authority for full custodial arrest. Under the attenuation doctrine, when the warrant predates the stop, the arrest and resulting evidence remain admissible. Texas Penal Code Section 30.5, criminal trespass, requires a prior notice of exclusion before unlawful remaining occurs. A trespass notice issued simultaneously with arrest may fail the prior notice element. This weakens that specific charge. Miranda v. Arizona 1966, advisements are required before custodial interrogation, not during a Terry investigative stop. Post-arrest questioning without Miranda advisement exposes resulting statements to suppression at trial. Officer Hernandez B+. Consent-based search, patient de-escalation, constitutional restraint, deduction, delayed ID pressure. The Sergeant A. Minas. Precise de-escalation, sound supervisory judgment. Deduction, trespass notice issued simultaneously with arrest. The subject D. The shoplifting charge is legally contestable on intent. The false identification under an active warrant is not. Male companion A. Full cooperation, clear assertion of non-involvement, no obstruction. A model of lawful civilian conduct. Lesson 1. False identification during lawful detention is a separate criminal act. In Texas, a warrant makes it a Class B misdemeanor. Lesson 2. A credible accidental taking account is legally meaningful intent remains a jury question, not a street judgment. Lesson 3. The right to refuse consent to search survives a Terry stop. Exercising it carries no criminal penalty. Lesson 4. Outstanding warrants do not lie dormant. Under Strieff, discovery during any lawful stop grounds immediate arrest. Thank you for watching.